turn this sideways. Put a drop there. And then I'm going to place it. Oh my god. It fell in the wrong place. Place it on there. Get off my nail. It's way harder when you have nails. And that's why some people use 2 bits. You see, I don't buy regular 2 bits. I buy those are kind of 2 bits. Let me see if this works. Let's try it. So what I'm about to do is cut this. So let me see would it work faster. This is my handy dandy tool. Cuts anything. And shapes anything how you need it to be shaped. So we have one on there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm about to line them up here. So let me show you another one. I'm not putting them extra close to each other because I'm lining them up in certain locations and I don't want to use all my rhinestones. Do you understand that? The little kitty. So, like I said, this is my first video and I guess I wasn't prepared, but I wanted to do it, so here we are. We're doing this shit. See, that was way better when I cut this. It fell and I could actually locate it. So, I'm about to finish this. I'm not going to record it. Does it look crooked? I'm not going to record it, but I'm about to do this whole line. Then I'm going to come over here and do, and then I'll be back with you. I said I was coming back. That's what I did to one end. Put a T on this side. It's kind of crooked, but it's alright. T stands for me. And I remember I didn't know what I was going to do with the flower. So I put it on the cup. I put some diamonds in the inside. And this is one cup that's done. And with this cup, I think this cup should be it. It's a little rough. You still put that. That's what I think this cup should do. How I did it was the fake flower, it comes apart. I took off this part with another part in the middle. I took that off. I folded one leaf, super glued it down to the cup, and then I super glued the rest of the flower down. And then in the middle, I just put like 3 to 4 stones in the middle and hold it down until it stayed. That's it. Just how I showed you with these ones, I made me a tea cup. It's basically done, you know. Now all I need is a little something in it. And I got little rocks. I have 2 tables. Whatever I'm putting on here, I have a table that's going to be on the side of me. So whoever, like my company, homegirls, going out or whatever, they will be at that table, you know? So either way I could put it. I could put it with the tea, with the flower, or the design, but I'm going to put it on the table like this. That is the first cup that you've seen that I designed by hand from a basic cup. For a basic cup. From the basic to this. And that's what I'm going to keep doing to all the different cups. I'll put a T on this one. I could put an S on the other one. Whatever initial. I wasn't even trying to do initials until it happened. More flowers. About 3 more. And I'm going to keep doing that. And we're going to see the outcome of the desk when I'm done. So, Cheerios. This one I'm doing a little different design. I'm not going to show you every design I'm doing just because it will make it an extra long ass video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Like, thumbs up, subscribe. You know, give me some feedback. Tell me how you like. I'm using the gold tape. Yes, it's gold tape, and yes, I did just super glue the whole cup around. And I did that to make sure that this tape stays on even through water. And then I'm going to just go over it just a little bit when I end it. Try to make sure it connects so it all looks like it's one. If I can. Never been a straight line type of person, so, you know, we're going to do what we can. There we go. This one already got the beads in it. Yeah, this one is this one. That one ain't done. Let me take off these bags. But how do you like this cup? It's not too much, it's just enough. And I didn't even notice I put the gold right at the rocks. Right at the rocks. I didn't even notice I did that. But it came out cute. Look at that. That is so cute. And there's so much room in this cup that I can empty out another container. And like I said, we're trying to add space on the desk. So I'm thinking I could do it like this. Line them all up on that side. I have a whole lot of eye stuff because I love eyes. And that's the first thing that I learned how to do was my eyes. So I think I'm going to add these brushes with these pencils in here, like so. And make sure I put them along the edges. And I'm going to put the brushes together with the pencils. We're going to separate them with the stones. So I have brushes on one side, eyeliner on the other with a gap between so it don't get messed up. You know what I'm thinking? Tape. So put the gold there in between. Now they can't touch each other, and can put it on the desk just like this. And now I can spread them out. And there we go.